So let's also look at how to find the equation of a straight line. So an equation of a straight line, we have two methods that are used. First of all, you can make use of the equation y is equals to mx plus what? C. That's the first equation that you can use. Or you can use the method number 2, which is using gradients by introducing an unknown, which is what? Xy. So those are the two methods that we want to learn in this lesson. So we have question number 1. So question number 1 here, we want to use method number 1 as well as method number 2. So for method number 1 here, a straight line is a gradient of what? 7, and it can. So which means m is equals to what? 7, and it passes through a point what? Minus 3, 6. So we have a coordinate panapa in a minus what? 3, then 6, and it. So that's the only information that I say at a p wasaka takuchishansa method number 1, and it. So that's method number 1. Saka method number 1, we said the method number 1, we are going to use what? The equation y is equals to mx plus c, and it. Saka todi takuchiti y is equals to what? Mx plus what? C, and it. So panapa takuchuya panapa takuti susu m yedu ndiani? 7, and it. Then apa panapa tina x y, which therefore means that x yedu is going to be equal to minus 3, then y yedu is going to be equal to what? To 6. So what we do now is that we want to find the value for what? For c first. Saka tishabata y is equals to what? Mx plus c, and it. Where tishabata replace these values or substitute these values near x, near y, near m, and it we need this equation. Saka y wedu ndiani? The 6 is equals to m wedu ndiani? The 7, over that is 7, by x wedu ndiani? The minus 3, then total plus what? C. Saka yakubvaita 6 is equal to what? Minus 21 plus c. Then minus 21 akakrosa inobva inoita 6 plus what? 21 is equals to what? C. Saka our c was going to be equal to what? Our c was going to be equal to 27. Saka na c yoda aita equal to 27, todzokera isusu toda kutsvaga the what? The equation, and it. Saka takuti shi y is equals to what? Mx plus what? C. Saka m yedu taiwana ndiani? Ndi 7, 27x plus c wedu abuda arichi 27. So inobva yabuda y is equals to what? 7x plus 27. So this one becomes our equation. That is, if we use the first formula, which is method, which is the method yekuti tinoshandisa the equation, the general equation, then pane general equation one coordinate yedu ndo ichatipa x nachi na y, to substitute, then to substitute to one of the value for c. Then after getting the value for c, takuchibva tadzokera kuti y is equals to mx plus what? C. Then we then substitute m nachi na c. So in overall, turikuti isusu turikuti pekutanga apa tichawana x nachi and what? Y nachi na m to substitute, and it then page 2 apa takuzongo substitute only what? M nachi and c watawana, then to watawana the what? The equation, and it. Then we have to look at method number 2. So method number 2 yedu yatatanywa, it's using the gradients by introducing an unknown what? Point yateti what? X, y, and it. Saka trukuti isusu, we're now saying let's just take our details. Trukuti that's method what? 200 come. saka data redu tine gradient yedu it's equal to what 7 and then tine another coordinate redu ndoratati it's what minus 3 6 and minus 3 nachi na 6. Then we introduce another coordinate which is what, which is x what y and saka tikazviintroduce izvozvi takufanira kushandisa method yemachi yekutsvaga gradient. Saka method yekutsvaga gradient tichabva tatichi gradient is equal to what, y2 minus what, y1 over what, x2 minus what, x1 and then tadaro takuti is equal to, takushuda kutora machi, this one is 1, this one is 2, then we have what, x1 y1 and then we have x2 y2 and then tadaro takuchitichi y2 yedu ndiani ndi y, saka tongoti y minus of y1 wedu ndiani ndi 26 all over x2 wedu ndiani ndi x minus x1 wedu ndiani ndi minus 3, then gradient yedu ndiani ndi m which is equals to what 7 tadai and so if tadai so this minus minus becomes plus, so then we have to simplify and it has 7 is equals to what, y minus what 6 all over what, x plus what 3 and saka this is as good as over 1, saka natadai so takuita cross multiply, so kunokuya kubvaita 7 multiplied by what, x plus what 3, then will be equal to 1 multiplied by y inongoremain the same and it got y minus what 6. So apapo takusimplify takuchiti 7 times x inobvaita chi 7x then plus 7 by 3 inoita plus 21 is equals to y minus 6. Saka kuti y asara ari ega takutora chi, takutora minus 6 wedu tomendesa the other side inobvaita 7x plus 21 plus 6 is equals to y. So this one becomes what, 7x plus 27 is equal to y. Saka this one becomes the other equation. Saka ukaiona yakadai so it's much the same as iwewo wangongopiwa yako yakangonzi y is equals to what, 7x plus 27. So this one and this one will be the same. So let's confirm with the one yatata wana at first using the first formula. So using the first formula tatawana y is equals to 7x plus 27. Using the second formula tawana y is equals to what, 7x plus 27 again. Then I'll repeat the second formula, which is the second method. First of all, we introduce what, another third what, point which is an unknown, which is x, y. Saka ungane ma details ako, gradient yako unayo, first point unayo, second point unayo. Then you work wakuti the gradient is equals to, this is the formula and then wakuchi replace ma values. Saka the second coordinate rako ra x, y ndora richikupa the value for x and the value for what, for y and saka then wazviita using that, then wakuchi replace ma values ako, then wa replace ma values ako ita cross multiplication, then we simplify, then we get what, your answer.